Hey, it's Eran here. I wanted to record a tutorial about the PLR of System.io. PLR stands for Private Label Rights. So System.io has basically created an offer that they periodically put out where they've taken their courses, which were created by their CEO, Aurelian Amakar, and they've basically packaged that into a package that you can buy all 8 courses and resell those courses as your own. There's also an extra little benefit, which is the part that is kind of helpful for me, is that you can resell those as your own, as individual courses to consumers, to people to study the course, to learners. You can also sell it to marketers so they can in turn sell it themselves. And I've bought that particular package. For full disclosure, the price that I paid was $97, one-time payment. And the 2 times that I've seen them actually do this launch, it was $97 both times. They don't always have it open, but now it's kind of up to those that have bought the PLR packages, the private label rights, to be able to resell those and make their profits, because that's the whole point. You buy the courses if it's your own, and then you sell it to other people. There is no particular criteria on how much you can sell it for, what do you do with it, stuff like that. You are given the courses, you're also given the video files, the templates, all that stuff. And it comes with actual sales pages, which is the same sales pages they are using for selling those courses. So you get the email sequence, the sales funnels, the courses, the videos, everything in one package basically. And I wanted to show you a couple of things behind the scene, and this video is going to be helpful to you even if you have already bought it, because I'm going to show you a couple of things you might want to consider as part of marketing it and things like that. So these are the courses. There's one other course that I just don't have that listed on the screen because I wanted to have my face here, but there is 8 courses in total, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 and 7. So that's what we have here. And you can pause the video and look at the names. Now, if you want to look at what the courses look like on the inside, here's an example of one. This is the how to make your $100 per day with your email list. It's a 9-minute video from the CEO of System, and that's the introduction video. Then you've got part 1, and this video is 23 minutes. And you can see he does this type of a style of videos, which is pretty cool way to teach, right? Then you've got part 2, and that part is 20 minutes, and part 3. And this one is 17 minutes. So it's about an hour, give or take, for the whole course, right? And all the courses are, from what I've seen, they're more or less similar. Please don't quote me on that. I didn't go through those courses myself, but give or take, it's a similar structure, okay? So now there's a few things that if you are selling this as a PLR, notice that obviously I've got my picture here because by default, I have my own picture, so I gotta change the name when I resell it. And also, I should do my own little video to say, hey, this course is done by the CEO of System. You know what I mean? Because it's going to have a French accent. And obviously I'm not French, right? So I think that's just for transparency purposes. There's no reason why not do some sort of an introduction when you are reselling this course. So just something to be aware of. Additionally, you will notice that under each of the lessons, there is a button here that says Get Started Free. So obviously this is to drive traffic to your own affiliate link as a System.io affiliate, which is great. However, you want to go through each course and notice that when you hover over this button, look on the left, there is System.io, which means this is not an affiliate link. So you want to send that to your affiliate link. You got to go into all the courses. You got to change that link to make it your affiliate link. Otherwise, you're just going to lose on potential affiliate commissions, which is just silly. So there's a bit of work to actually set it up. It's not just like click a button, it's done. Yes, they make it really easy, but you got to go and actually make sure that all the links in the funnel inside the courses is all your affiliate link. Now they do have a cool little thing here, which is resources, which is a really cool thing. And again, they have a funnel template to sell an ebook as a free lead magnet. So this is a landing page funnel. Email sequence, which is just a PDF. A little website funnel, which is more of a sales page. And then another funnel as well for a first video, right? So this is basically really 3 different types of funnels, which are really, really good, and they obviously work well. But what's important to understand is when somebody clicks on this link, this is not your affiliate link. This particular share link needs to be your affiliate link. So what you want to do is you want to recreate this page, okay, by replacing this link with your affiliate link. So you would click on this button if you have resold this, and now that you have gotten this funnel, then you got to go back to funnels list and then click here, click on share, click on copy, and then when you go to the resources page, you can then change the resources page link right here. Otherwise, it's not your affiliate link. So this is really, really important for you to be aware of, okay? Because yes, you can sell these courses, but honestly, you're not gonna sell it for a lot. What's more important when you sell it is when you sell it, you want to make sure that you're adding your own flavor to it, because you will sell it for $97 because everybody knows you can buy this for $97 and get it for that price pretty much. So with that said, what I recommend is figure out how to use this PLR, this courses that you've now gotten access to and be able to sell in order to drive traffic to your other offers. Let me give you an example by telling you the different things that I'm doing. And if any of these things are interest to you, then I'll be able to give you this 8 courses plus the private label rights, okay? I will give you access to everything, and I will give that to you for free or for very cheap. So here is how this works. So let's just say I want to drive people to my membership. I have a templates and guides membership. If you go to runtemplates.com, you will see that I have a very extensive membership business where I provide Canva templates, email templates, and also workshops and also System.io templates. Except for my templates, they come in much greater detail. It's not just a template, you actually get an actual guide. This is an example of a sales page template that is in my membership, that is available for you to join. And this is, you get that for free, but you also, not for free, for included, but you also get a guide on how to customize everything, when to use it, things along these lines, okay? So this is a good example of a scenario of a template. Now, with everything that I offer in my templates membership, you'll notice that it's $99 a year. Right now, I have a one-on-one session with me as an order bump. Now, instead of the order bump, I was actually planning on saying, hey, grab the courses and the private label rights to be able to sell this for $1 or for $10 and put it as an order bump, okay? If you go to runtemplates.com, depending on when you watch this video, this might actually be what's in here. Right now I have it as a one-on-one session, but I'm looking to change that. So this is one way. So I'm basically using the PLR. I'm basically saying, look, you can have it for free. You can have it for $1. I don't care. I just want people in my membership, okay? So that's option number one on how you can use that. Option number two, with System.io, I'm gonna take you to the pricing page. So when you look at the pricing page, you will notice that this is their pricing. You can pay for, we're gonna look at the annual signups only. $828 a year, which is the highest plan, $396 a year, $228 a year. In my case, I have a bonus for people when they sign up to this startup plan. And I actually have a link for $197, not $228. So I've got a cheaper even, okay? But when people join using my affiliate link, using this link specifically, I give them a whole bonus. I give them one-on-one session with my support to connect domain name, Google Analytics, connect payment integration, things along these lines. I also give some other benefits, which I explain in this video. But the point is that people get access by using my affiliate link. Now, you'll notice here that I give the same bonuses if somebody upgrades to the higher plans. But to date, I haven't actually had any extra additional bonuses. So what I'm planning on doing is when somebody signs up for the webinar plan, I'm going to give them the PLR, the private label rights courses. So I'm going to give them the actual PLR package, but I'm also going to give them the actual courses themselves. So I'll give them the whole thing basically as a bonus, totally for free, when they use my affiliate link to join the webinar plan. Now there's also a reason why you want to be on the webinar plan. If you're thinking to buy the PLR courses, you are probably going to want to be on the webinar plan, because you will notice that here under courses, you have a limit of 20 courses. Here you have a limit of 5 courses, and there are 8 courses in total. Now you don't have to have all the courses live. You can delete them and stuff like that. And technically, you can just have the how to use the PLR package course. But if you're just selling the package as a PLR one by one, you're going to miss out on a big opportunity, because one of the reasons why these courses are good is because you can sell them for $5 or $7. And the beauty of selling those courses for cheap that way is because it gets people in the door, so you can upsell them to your other products and services and have additional upsells and coaching programs and things along these lines. So if you're going to buy the PLR package, I definitely recommend you're on the webinar plan, although it's not mandatory. You can even do it on the free plan, but honestly, you should ideally be on the webinar plan. So that's another thing, is that I'm going to list a bonus, and I'm going to add a bonus here on this page that says, hey, if you join on the webinar plan, not only are you going to get the bonuses I make for the 197, you're also going to get the PLR package, basically. So that's another way. And then I'll figure out another bonus for the unlimited plan as well. But if any of these offers, for example, are of interest to you, please leave a comment below and say the word interested. Okay? And if you want to tell me some details about which one you want, if you want to use the webinar plan, or if you want to get it for $1 and join my membership, just let me know. Leave a comment below and so on. Now, if you haven't bought the PLR, you want to just buy it directly, I am selling it for $97 as well, just like everybody else. But again, I don't think it's a good deal for you, because honestly, it's what everybody's doing. So what's the big deal? If you do end up buying the $97 from my link, for example, or but not from my link, but my PLR as well, then I'll happily give you the same bonuses that I offer in that page, around.link/197 bonus. I'll happily give you that as well. Around.link/197 bonus. Happy to give you the same bonuses. Although, honestly, you're gonna get a much better deal joining my membership. It's $99 a year. So anyway, that's options for you. You can leave a comment below and explore, but when I have the links for these things, I will just leave them all below for you to explore for yourself. But hopefully that clarifies what is the PLR, what is this whole thing all about. And yeah, that's about it. If you have additional questions for me about the topic of PLR, how to use it, when to use it, things along these lines, let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions. Just for full disclaimer, I don't use PLR myself for my own content. I've got my own courses, I got my own membership. I use 99% of my stuff is my own creation. I have bought maybe 2-3 small PLRs that I have kind of intertwined with my stuff, but even that, it's like a small fraction, very, very small fraction in what's in my templates and guides membership, as an example. And also all the email copy you see in my email marketing, all my Facebook posts, my YouTube videos, my video scripts, all that stuff, I record everything myself. I create everything myself. This is not AI generated, blah, blah. This is based on my experience, my content, my expertise of testing things out. I could show you a whole bunch of things on the back end on how I use different funnels and things along these lines. I'll leave it to another video. But yeah, I just wanted to cover this topic of PLR. And yeah, if you have any interest, let me know below. There'll be the links. And yeah, that's about it. I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.